बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम नहमदुहु व नसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम। The chairman of IOS, Dr. Muhammad Manzoor Alam Sahab, Dr. K. Rahman Khan Sahab, जनाब हरीश सिंह रावत साहब, जनाब प्रोफेसर फुरकान कमर साहब, प्रोफेसर अफजल वानी, प्रोफेसर हसीना आशिया, दीगर जितने लोग यहाँ बैठे हैं वो सब। आज की मेरी टास्क के दो छोटे छोटे हिस्से हैं। One is to extend a very warm welcome to all of you who have come here and who have participated in this very, very prestigious function, where Institute of Objective Studies is giving its 10th award, Lifetime Achievement Award, to Mohtaram K. Rahman Khan Sahab. K. Rahman Khan Sahab is associated with Institute of Objective Studies in a very, very intimate fashion. I mean, he is a philosopher, friend and guide to all of us, to the brotherhood of Institute of Objective Studies. The next part of my presentation is to tell you something about the Institute of Objective Studies. We have completed 3.5 decades of our existence, and we people are concentrating on the problems and issues concerning the marginalized sections of Indian society in particular, and other societies which are deprived in general. In this whole scenario, I think Muslims top the list of our concern because they are highly marginalized and they deserve to be considered for study, for research, for solutions, for planning and so on. We try to do all these things, but particularly we are interested in our research activities, research of all kinds, conceptual research, field research, action research and so on. And the procedure is that we select certain themes in IOS through our specialized committees. They decide to have got certain research work on certain themes and topics, and then we assign those themes and topics to various renowned researchers within the country to conduct those researches. This is one method of doing work. And second is that whosoever considers his or her proposal to be considered by the institute, they can draft the proposal, send it to us. We will examine it in our committees and then decide as how to go about. Finances are actually a big problem, but still we manage to contribute a bit from our side, and we grant certain amount of money to these scholars for conducting such kind of research. Surveys are also taken up by us, but these surveys are not very frequent. We conduct, I think we have already conducted around 9 to 10 surveys. Another area is the publication. Publication is a big area, and we have got two kinds of publications. One is the permanent regular publications of certain journals and newsletters and monthly magazines and so on, where we have got General of Objective Studies, we have got Law and Religion Review, we have got Mutaliat, we have got an online magazine and one Urdu magazine that is called Nuqta-e-Nazar. We also conduct ourselves through committees. We have got 23 committees, specialized committees, and we have got 5 chapters located in different parts of India which coordinate our efforts with the local problems and local issues of the area. Conferences are another very big area with us, and we people conduct international conferences, national conferences, and even Sham-e Muzakara is our program that is conducted very regularly within the institute on very, very important themes. Apart from that, we have got 2 awards. One is the Lifetime Achievement Award and another is Shah Waliullah Award. Preparation of textbooks and reading material and reference books is also very important area for us. Apart from that, we people also run a translation bureau, and this translation bureau mainly concentrates on Hindi, Urdu, English, Arabic, but now we are trying that other regional languages of India should also be covered by this translation bureau. We also review the edited books that come to us through different sources, because we are in touch with various organizations, national and international, which concentrate on the same themes as we do. We have a data bank also, and this data bank serves us to provide data on particular themes and particular areas of concern. So that way we people are doing a little bit of our service to the whole Indian deprived sections and marginalized sections, and we invite all of you to send your suggestions if there are any in terms of improvement of our functioning, or to suggest certain new areas to be taken up by the Institute of Objective Studies. Thank you very much.